Hello, welcome to Ask Me Asha YouTube channel. Never forget to subscribe our channel.
Today I will show you how to fix slow earning revenue on Google Adsense. And I will show you how to create Ads.txt file manually and upload to fix slow earning on Google Adsense. To create Ads.txt file, you will get the code on this Adsense help forum. The link will be provided on description of this video. Copy the code, open the notepad and paste on it, and replace the pub code, like publication code provided by Google Adsense. Add your pub code on the program code. And save the file in the name of Ads.txt. And go to your control panel and upload the created Ads.txt file. And you can check if it's necessary. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more updates.